This one is simple, but it's probably the hardest thing for you guys to start doing. Are you ready? No. That's it. The power of a polite no. Hey, can I get a, we really want to go with this, you guys. Is there any way we can get a 50% discount? No. Hey, is there any way you can get the software installed within 3 days? No. Right? You have to understand the power of a polite no. Even though you want to get the business, when you lower your price, when you do things that are out of your scope, for the most part, no good deed goes unpunished. Hey, we're ready to rock and roll on this. Can we get 10% off? Absolutely. Okay, great, thanks. I'll run it by my team and get back to you. Never hear from them again. And when you do, what do they say? Hey, yeah, so we've had some changes here, and I really appreciate you giving me that 10% off, but I'm going to need 50. Because they can't read your mind. Right? They don't know that this is the best deal. And the minute you start changing your price, your offering, is the minute that you project to them what they think, and I know this isn't true, but what's communicated to their subconscious is you were trying to take advantage of them the whole time. You were either trying to charge them more, or slow boat your installation, or not give them the stuff that everybody else gets. I'm not saying don't ever discount, and I'm not saying don't ever change your deal. But unless you have a black belt in Easton University sales, it would behoove you not to do that stuff. And just focus on, because of the fact that you told me you need the software installed as soon as possible so you guys can avoid these fines from OSHA. That's why I scoped it out the way it is, and the price is $1,850 a month. Does it make sense to get you guys on board before OSHA comes in here and starts lopping heads again? Well, yeah, actually it does. I just wanted to make sure I'm getting the best price. You are. Okay, let's move forward, right? You got to understand the power of a polite no. It is okay for you to say no. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're going to catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.